the inside.
Hey guys, what's going on?
And Nick here, guys. How's it going?
This is a new segment called 5 Minutes in Front of the Grinder.
So that's basically what we are. We're just going to stand in front of the grinder.
This is the grinder. Yeah.
Yep.
It is not on.
We got a show coming up this weekend. Dayton Off-Road Show. Scott and Mike are going to be there, and they have a couple cool guys that are going to be there. Cool finishes. We got this nice machete. Check out that finish on there. Nice patina on the blade, but also, more importantly, the random pattern on the G10 really got some really cool looks.
Something different I wanted to try doing.
Yep, you did a good job on that one. I like that one. Here's another one.
This one is orange and black G10, and instead of our traditional mountain finish, this is a little bit more aggressive, very, very grippy, and I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. And then I know, right? And then on the blade, we have sort of a matching patina. They're pretty cool, pretty cool. Scooter, you get the blue one. Talk about the blue one.
This is called blue, and more random patternness on the steel part. That's called ovals. Very random and artistic.
So the Dayton Off-Road Show is actually like a truck Jeep kind of an event. We went last year, and going to go again this year. Scott's going to actually have his truck in the show, so it'll be inside as part of the display, showing off the knives and the truck stuff. Since we like the wheeling side of things,
so we've been putting together a lot of really cool stuff for the show. Right now, Sam's working on a really cool kitchen knife set that you guys are going to want to check out. He's back in the Kydex room working on it right now, so it's ready.
You want to see the good one?
Oh yeah, that ironwood is gorgeous with that orange and stuff.
Check out those pins.
Black micarta pins. So we've been working all week trying to get some stuff ready up for the Dayton show. You guys had fun last year, right?
It was good last year. I got to stand under my first monster truck.
And there's always that. They got some cool Jeeps. I think they had some King of the Hammer stuff there last year, didn't they, Mike?
Remote control
They can't
cars.
see you shake your head, brother.
There's
He nodded. He nodded.
There's a guy there that sells CB stuff.
Yeah.
I need that for my Jeep.
So Sammy and I are going to go out on Monday, or not Monday, on Saturday and check it out because we like just to see what's going on truck-wise. So not only the truck, but we're going to be there selling knives. We had fun last year. The people that put on the event liked us to be there, so they want us to come back. So we're digging it.
Yeah.
So while we're gone, what are we going to do?
We are going to clean up and enjoy the quiet. Because, yeah.
You act like Mike and I are the noisiest ones in the room, which is not true.
It's George. George is the noisy one.
No acting. Y'all so free here, so, you know, it's all good.
I'm working on red wall stuff too. Should I show them?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, grab a couple pieces. So Nick and I are going to work on tomorrow. We're just going to work on getting some micarta, getting all round out, and we have some projects coming up next week. I'm actually working on some bones today. Go ahead and show you the red wall.
This is for a Pouthouse member who goes by Inco. Notice the theme here. We got one more that I have to cut out some scales. The colors are going to be lengthwise, like the flag. So to be uber precise, I'm going to cut out the middle color on the shop line. So that the top and bottom just need one flat surface to jive, but I have to, make the colors match when you look at the tail. We also have some Germany-style beads because we want matching lanyards. It's going to be kind of cool.
Speaking of the shop bot.
Yeah. Nick is not actually the shop bot. I know he pointed that direction.
It was over this way, but it's really this thing right here. And Scooter is the primary operator of the shop bot now. But it is a very cool piece of equipment.
It cuts out scales, mainly.
And other cool stuff that is yet to be announced.
And it's rarely late for work and hardly ever sick. So
not yet.
Really well.
No sick days yet.
And it's only talked back the 2 times.
Well, yeah, we got a little grumpy with it.
Other than that.
Well,
hey, We were talking about bone earlier. We got a bone project going on.
We're at 5 minutes, buddy.
Oh, we're done. Bye.
Someone to tell her